Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to give a brief description of how taxes work and how much we need to pay in taxes at the end of the year. First, there's three main types of taxes. The first is employment tax. The second is federal tax. And the last is state tax. These are the three main categories that we're going to go over. First, income tax. For income tax, we need to pay a total of 15.3%. Now, there's two categories that we fall into when it comes to income tax. Either we're a W-2 employee or we're a 1099 employee. If you're a W-2 employee, you as the employee are responsible for half of the total employment tax, and your employer is responsible for the other half. So if we divide 15.3 in half, this is how much we're supposed to pay, which is a total of 7.65%. And this is an approximate amount. If you're a 1099 employee, this means you're an independent contractor and you're responsible for the entire 15.3%. Federal taxes has to do with your income and is broken down into a few brackets or levels. You will pay 10% of every dollar you earn between $0 and $9,950. You'll pay a total of 12% for every dollar you earn in between $9,950 and $40,525. You'll pay a total of 22% for every dollar you earn in between $40,525 and $86,375. You'll pay a total of 24% for every dollar you earn in between $86,375 and $164,375. You'll pay a total of 32% for every dollar you earn in between $164,375 and $209,425. You'll pay a total of 35% for every dollar you earn in between $209,425 and $523,600. And you'll pay a total of 37% on every dollar you earn over $523,600. So, or more. So these are the federal income taxes. If you earn a certain amount of money, the 10%, 12% will apply to you as long as you reach that income threshold. So if you earn above 40,525, you will definitely be paying all of these taxes and possibly a portion of the levels above. I'm going to give you an example after this so that you can see a little bit more in depth how this works. State income tax depends on what state you're in. On what state you are in. So for example, Florida has a 0% state income tax. Texas has a 0% state income tax. Nevada has a 0% state income tax. However, California has one of the highest state income tax or the highest state income tax. So now that we broke down the three main types of taxes that a normal individual pays, we're going to give you an example. Let's say we have an employee who is a W-2 employee who earns $65,000 and who lives in the state of Florida. Since they're a W-2 employee, they're going to be paying a total of 7.65%. When we multiply this by the annual income times 7.65%, we can write as 0.0765. When we multiply these two numbers together, 65,000 times 0.0765 gives us a total of $4,972.50. This is how much employment tax somebody who's a W-2 employee pays for a salary of $65,000. Now for federal income tax. Since this person is earning $65,000, we know that they're paying the full 10% of that $9,950. This comes out to $995. This person will have to pay the full 12% of the spread in between $9,950 and $40,525. So how many dollars are in between these two values? There's a total of $30,575 in between those two values within the 12% tax bracket. And if we were to multiply 12% by this total amount, this is going to give us $3,669. And finally, we need to see the spread between this value of $40,525 and our actual salary of $65,000. We do not have to calculate the full spread here because this individual is earning less than the maximum bracket for 22% of $86,375. So this portion or this tax bracket will go from $40,525 to our income of $65,000. So in total, between those two values, we're paying a total of 22% for a total amount of $24,475. 22% of this number will be $5,384. Now we can add all these values together to figure out how much in total this individual will need to pay in federal income tax. And when we add up all of these values, we're going to get a total of $10,048. Now for the state of Florida, we know that there is no state income tax. So since there is a 0% state income tax, we will have to pay $0 in state income tax. And now to figure out how much in total somebody who's a W-2 employee earning $65,000 who lives in Florida, given that they do not have any deductions, which is a topic I did not discuss in this video, they will pay a total of $4,972 plus $10,048, which will be $15,020. This would be the total amount in taxes that an individual has to pay, given that they do not qualify for any deductions or tax credits. To see how much in total, what percent of our total income is paid in taxes, we get the amount paid in taxes divided by the total pay throughout the year. So if we divide 15,020 by 65,000, we'll get a total of 0.23 or 23%. I hope that you learned something in this video. If you enjoyed or learned, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. It really helps the channel when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like my videos. I'll see you in the next one.